It's day 39 of my self-initiated video series where I create videos instead of consuming so much of social media. So, ngayon, praise God, nakarating tayo ng day 29. And parang naisip ko lang, day 30 na bukas. So, pag gumawa ko ng video bukas, makakompleto ko siya. Parang mapaperfect ko siya. Parang ganun yung dating. So, bukas, hindi na ako gagawa ng video. Ito na yung last video for this series. Pero syempre, I am not gonna stop creating content. And I'm gonna keep sharing about mga revelation ni God, about my life, about my journey. And salamat sa lahat ng mga sumubaybay for the past month. Sobrang daming new core memories and ang daming binless na learnings and wisdom ni Lord all throughout. And I'm also wrapping up my birthday week with so much gratitude kasi parang dahil pinush ko na gawin to, ang dami kong nakilalang bagong friends and ang dami kong mga na-discover and I'm ready to go on new adventures. So, ayun, parang kung kayo may mga pinag-iisipan kayong bagay na gawin na nag-hesitate kayo or you're coming up with a lot of excuse instead of just doing it, I want to encourage you to take the next step. Whatever that small step is, just take that next step. Tapos, after yung next step, ano na yung next? Ano yun? One foot in front of the other. One step at a time. Hindi naman kailangan isang parang bagsakan lahat, di ba? So, ano din, as you take that next step, parang ask God for courage, ask God for grace, ask Him for what you need kasi He is our generous Father na kayang-kayang ibigay yung kailangan natin, whatever we're going through. Yun lang. See you on the other side, char. Or see you when I see you. And, syempre, mag-like, subscribe, and share sa aking mga social media pages. Meron tayong TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, lahat yun, gratefully.creating. Thank you!